Good morning. This is my drive belt, and I just removed it from the car. And as you can see, it's absolutely trashed, which is a bummer because I just replaced it last year. Luckily, I already have the parts because the belt has been squeaking and I figured I need to replace both the tensioner and the belt. So here's the belt. And here's the tensioner assembly. So we'll need a breaker bar, a ratcheting handle, a 17mm socket wrench, and a 14mm socket wrench. We'll start with the breaker bar and the 14mm and loosen the tensioner mounting bolt. And then we'll continue with the ratcheting handle. Here's the old tensioner assembly. It's got an alignment pin. And here's the new one. And there's the alignment pin. We'll insert the tensioner mounting bolt and then mount it. Making sure the alignment pin is lined up. And then we'll use the ratchet to tighten the bolt. And then we'll finish up with a breaker bar. Now we can install the belt. We will need the 17mm socket wrench to release the tension of the tensioner. And that's it. The tensioner and the belt are installed. All that's left to do is to start it up. Thank you for watching.